Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about the modern sofa cover design. Sofas come in all forms, shapes and size. The attraction of a sofa depends on many factors including your living room design and color scheme, as well as your personal preference. There are fabric sofas, leather sofas, reclining sofas, sofa bed and more. Each type of sofa has its own unique appeal and function. In this blog post, we are talking about one of the most affordable, convenient, and versatile sofas in the market. A slipcover sofa is simply a couch with a sofa cover that can be removed and changed if so needed. Just as you remove and change your clothes, you can remove and change the sofa cover. The immediate advantage is having a slipcover sofa is of course maintenance, since the sofa cover can always be removed and dry cleaned. Stains are not that big of a deal. This makes cover sofas ideal for families with young children or pets who could potentially dirty the furniture. Slipcover sofas are more affordable than fixed cover sofas and in more ways than one. If you intend to freshen up your living room and change the design of your sofas, for example, the cost of buying a new sofa cover is dramatically lower than the cost of your sofas all over again. Additionally, taking off your sofa cover and sending it to the dry cleaner is more affordable than hiring expensive cleaning service. It is a common misconception that slipcover sofas are premium fixed. While it is true that certain type of sofas will not look good with sofa covers, it really depends on the manufacturer's skill and quality when producing these products. A well-made slipcover sofa is nearly able from an upholstered sofa. Where we host guests at a home a lot, we want our living room furniture to be as beautiful and exciting as possible. While there are viable methods like trading in your old sofas for a new one, buying a new sofa cover is still the more cost-effective way. This makes slipcover sofas very versatile. With regard to design, you can always buy sofa cover to match the new theme of the year. Today, increasing ecological consciousness, we want to be sure that as consumer we are doing our part to lessen our carbon footprint. Eco-friendly habits like using your own mental straw at restaurants and reusable grocery bags are increasingly popular. We should take a similar attitude toward interior design and buying furniture. Instead of buying a brand new sofas and getting rid of the old one, slipcover sofas are more eco-friendly because sofa covers are reusable. We hope this article has given you the information you need to make a decision about buying your sofa. Slipcover sofas have both pros and cons. Its suitability depends on each household need. If you are still unable to make up your mind, read Guide to Sofa Buying. Never underestimate the impact of a eye-catching sofa cover. A win for your wallet and living room. Forget plastic sofa cover of the past. If you thought there was no such thing as sophisticated sofa cover, then it's time to think again. This best-selling slipcover sofas for your sofa fit comes in our different pieces so you can actually separate your seat cushions. The only thing better than a clean lined sofa's cover is one that made with high-end fabric. This contemporary slipcover from Mackie is made of stain repellent and moisture resistant fabric, so it is very bit as luxurious as it's practical and much less pricier than a custom one. Thank you for watching the video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and like the video. If you get any help, then comment down below. Thank you.